In the 1970s, there were a limited number of machines that were produced. It created a pipe that earned the name pinhole. These machines, as you could imagine, were hard to maintain. Look at all the little tiny holes. Can you imagine trying to keep that machine running? They ran for decades. High maintenance made them obsolete. Soon, availability on parts, all of it, literally just made them a dinosaur, a thing of the past. Knife cut replaced pinhole. Now, one of my partner manufacturers had one of these machines. And I said to my rep, whatever happened to the machine? Was it scrapped? Is it still around? Does it even run? Well, short story shorter, several months later, here we are. We have the very first load of pinhole now available for sale. Now, the old timers absolutely love this pipe. I know you young guys don't even know anything about it. And as they say, if you know, you know. This pipe does some things in yard drainage really, really well. Better than other pipes. And in time, we'll show you us using this pipe. For now, this very limited run is available. Contractors, we're going to restrict you. You're going to have restrictions as far as how many coils you can buy, because this was a limited run, guys. I don't know if we'll ever get any more pinhole ever again. I mean, this pipe, I stand here and still, it's kind of surreal that we even have pinhole in the yard. So old timers, if you want to grab some, our contractors, if you want to, again, there's only so much. We're trying to give everybody a taste. But contractors, call Nicole, so that even if you just took a truck, you're going to want to call her and max out the limit on these. You're going to love this pipe. We want to be that pipe distributor that has all the candy. Everything that the contractors, old and young, could have ever dreamed of. This is a blast from the past, guys. Grab it up while we got it. All right, everybody. Until that next video.